All right, a quick view here, part 2, Under the Wings 81. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your beautiful, melodic feedback. Great art critic that you are. Yes. Okay, and I got the underlay of the portrait in pencil, number 2B pencil, and then I'll be going over that in ink, black ink. All right, listening to an old album, German-English libretto with Ladi Lenya, Kurt Weill of Bertolt Brecht, music, lyrics Bertolt Brecht, music Kurt Weill, the Three-Penny Opera. My German pronunciation is not very good. I don't remember if that's D or D. Dragoschen Opera. Well, how's that sound? Yeah? Okay, well, I did my best. All right. I'm thinking I'm going to do a metaphoric wing. I haven't done one in a while over here. And we'll have a really big allegorical, maybe open-jawed like that. I can almost... extemporaneous drawing. Yeah. Allegorical sea monster right there. Okay, let's get some teeth in. Why not? Ooh. A couple of big eyes. Grr, grr, grr. Which is what comes to mind when I think about the madness of the current war enveloping the Middle East. So many countries. All right, there we have it. To be continued. Got a metaphoric bird's wing here. Okay.